Hello, I'm Nicola. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a meerkat, a cartoon meerkat. I'll show you step by step. If I go too fast, just pause the video. I've already done this one. I've had a practice and I've done this one and then I've done it on Photoshop as well. There we go. So you'll notice on this one I haven't done black line there, but we're going to have black lines on ours. So if you want to go back to this video and see where I coloured, if you wanted to do it the same, you can do that. But it didn't look right. It didn't look right with black lines. So I'm just going to draw it like that, and you can use colour instead of black. Now what I would do if I was you is use a pencil, and if you make mistakes you can then rub it out. I'm only using this because I want you to be able to see what I'm drawing, but I always start with a pencil, sketch it like that, and then so right, I shall shut up and get drawing. Where shall I start? Face shape. So I start with the chin actually. I'll start with the head. Okay, so to go all the way around. I'm just going to stop in a minute so you can catch up. So I'm going to stop here. So we've got that. I'm going to go out a bit because I want you to have nice cute cartoon cheeks. I'm just going to touch my computer so I can copy the picture I've done. Now we're going to come down a little bit to create a little bit of a chin. Okay, and then we're going to go across. And we're going to try and get it similar. Let's say it doesn't have to be same, it doesn't have to be perfectly symmetrical. It looks good when it's not completely perfect, I think. So we're going to come up like that because then it looks drawn. There we go. I'm going to come round, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to really slow down here because I want to connect it to that. Now what you might prefer to do, then you can see, is turn your page and then you can draw your line. There we go. So that's the shape of the face. Looks a bit strange at the moment, so we're going to put some ears on. So I'm going to start around here. He's going to have little saggy ears. Go around like that. Okay, oh, that's not quite joined it there. Now, this is something I always do wrong every time I do these videos. I've done it right this time, so I've started at this side so you don't cover it up. I'll show you on the eyes what I mean. So I'm going to draw the inside of the ear, like that. In fact, I'm going to show you a little trick. When I've drawn before, I've done that and smudged where it is. So if you wanted to, you could put that under something underneath a piece of paper or a piece of card like I've got, and it doesn't smudge then, and you can move your hand freely. My hand drags on this paper, but I'm not going to use that because it gets in the way for you seeing. So I've done that one. I can have a, you might want to, if you're doing yours, is draw with a ruler a tiny faint line, and then you can get it quite close to the same level. Or you're drawing a pencil, just keep rubbing it out. So do that. Then the inside of the ear. So I've got a bit more there. Right, okay. Next, I'm going to, what shall I draw? I think I'll draw the eyes. I shall draw the eyes. So this is what I mean. This is what I keep doing wrong because I draw with pencil. And what you can do, if I draw that eye first, and when I come to this one, my hand's covering it up. I keep doing it wrong. So when I do that one first, I can see both eyes. Now what I'm going to do, have I not got a pencil? Just get a pencil. This makes it a little bit easier because I keep drawing the eyes and one's bigger than the other one. So I'm going to give it a little draw with a pencil first. So I'm just going to sketch that in. This is how I sketch. Sometimes it's hard to draw a full line. So I sometimes sketch really faintly like that. And then the inside, I'll sketch it. And then I'm going to have a white bit there. I'll show you why in a minute. So now I can go over. You could use a ruler if you prefer to sketch a little line. I'm going to try and get that so it's same. I've been doing them freehand on other videos, and you'll notice this, that I keep doing one eye bigger than the other because circles aren't that easy to draw perfectly. There we go. So that is actually a little bit smaller than that one, so now I can alter that, make it a bit bigger, and then I shall rub it out afterwards once I've done. So now I can draw over there. So move my pencil out of the way. So start with the outside, I think, starting with this eye so you can see. So there we go. And then I'm going to do the middle one. Okay, like that. And I'm going to show you why. You'll see it on my other videos. I've left a circle here. I'm going to leave that white and I'm going to colour. And it just makes the eyes look shiny. And it looks better, I think. It doesn't always work. Sometimes the shine doesn't work. But it's worth experimenting. So I'll try and do this eye now. Luckily I've got my guideline with the pencil. That's why I say I always use a pencil. It makes it easier. It's not cheating. It's a good idea. So there we go. It can be a bit tricky. So I would also advise is always do the white bit bigger than you think it would be, because the outside line makes it look smaller once you've coloured it in. So I've done it again. See, that one's bigger than that one, even though I sketched it. Right. So I'm going to do the eyes now. Now this is going to be done very slowly. Now wait till I've finished if you like. Pause the video because it's a bit of a different shape. So that's it. And you can unpause now. Okay, and I've done it wrong, haven't I? Again. I don't think I've done a complete video where I've not done it wrong, so now I'm covering that up anyway, so I can't see that when I'm drawing this. Now that was what I was saying before. Anyway, so what I need to do is try my hardest now to try and get that the same or similar to that. Not too bad. Okay, now they have these, I think they look like eyebrows, but it's just the colour. So I'm going to come up, I'm going to go round and connect it to the eye, really slowly, and then you can pause it and unpause. I'm going to try, I've done it again. It's because I always draw in pencil first. I'm going to take this slowly because what I need to do is connect it to there. So I'm going to turn my page. And it just, if your hand feels uncomfortable, turn it in the direction you're going, then you can do it. So there we go. And now, to make him look more cartoony, I've done his nose a little bit bigger, or her nose, a little bit bigger, because it just makes him look cute, cartoony. We're going to do some overly there. I got my big felt tip because it's boring watching me colouring. I have. There we go. So now we're going to do a smiley face. I need to try and get this one same or similar. There we go. That's that. Now, I did say about the, we need a neck. So the neck's going to come in and out. It's going to go in and out, in and out. So there we go. I might actually try the lines on this one. Then you can copy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and I'm going to go round to create a nice cheek shape. So I'm going to go down. I wasn't going to do it like this, but I thought it would be a bit better. Oops, try and keep my paper straight. And then I'm going to do the same on this side. Go down. I want to come round. So he's got a bit of a cheek. And then I'm going to go round here and join to there. So that's round. Join to there. And same on this side. Trying to keep it symmetrical. And look, I've done it again. There we go. And that's him. I think you might be done. So there we go. That's that one sorted. That is the Meerkat. And when you colour it in, it should hopefully look a little bit like that once it's done. So you can use that actually if you wanted to, or you could look on the internet for colours, or you could do it either colour you want. You might want to do it multicoloured. That might look pretty good, might look cool. So there we have a meerkat. He's quite cute. Maybe do your eyes a bit bigger, that would make him a little bit cuter maybe. So thank you for watching. I would like to see your videos. I am a writer and illustrator. I write children's books and also illustrate and sell my stuff on gifts and products. So I've got a Facebook page, and I will share if you want me to share your pictures, I will share them on there so everyone else can see your work. So thank you very much, and hope to see you next time.